Good afternoon, dear student. Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss multiplication of algebraic expression or algebraic term. In last class we discussed addition and subtraction of algebraic term or algebraic expression. Today we will learn multiplication. Is that clear? Now how to multiply this. I think suppose if there is x into x, this is also monomial and this is also monomial. So x into x, it will be x square. Let's see here. Your x, your base x, its power is 1. Please here, its power is 1, its power also 1. So if base same, we can add power. So 1 plus 1, it will be 2. So x into x, it will be x square. Is that clear? Now similarly, x into x square into x cube. Please here, x into x square into x cube. You can write here simply power of x, it will be 1. So x 1 plus 2 plus 3, it will be equals to x 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6. If you multiply x into x square into x cube, so you will get x to the power 6. Are you getting me? Is that clear? Simply if base same, then you can add power. Suppose if there is x square y, suppose there is x square, or simply let's write xy and multiply this xy and xy. Let's check here. Here xy into xy, we have to do multiplication here. Now see here, x into x, it will be x square. Directly also you can write y into y, y square. So this is the solution. Otherwise x into x into y into y, in this way also you can do. Then x into x, it will be x square, or you can write in this way 1 plus 1, because the power of x is 1, power of x is 1, into y 1 plus 1 is equals to x square y square. Is that clear? In this way also you can do, in this way also you can do, but this one is simpler one. Now question, let's write some question. Now multiply 4x by suppose 5x. Solution. Please here, you have to multiply 4x by 5x. Simply you have to multiply this 4x by 5x is equals to, you can write in this way. Please check here. First write coefficient 4 into 5 into x into x. 4 5 is 20. Let's multiply coefficient first. 4 5 is 20, x into x, x square. Otherwise you can do in this way, x into x, it will be x 1 plus 1, then x 2. Is that clear? Simply I am doing this x and x only. Is that clear? Understood? Okay, very good. Let me write another question. Multiply 2a square b by 3ab square. Solution. Please here, you have to multiply 2a square b by 3ab square. 2a square b into 3ab square is equals to, first let's write coefficient, that is 2 into 3, then into, in place of multiplication symbol you can write dot also, you can write a square b into ab square, or 2 3 is 6. In this case, please check the power of the variable or base, that is we are having base a, here also base a, power of a is here 2, your power of a is 1. So you can write in this 2 plus 1. This is the easiest one process. B 1 plus 2. Otherwise you can write first together and then you can do 2 3 is 6 into a square into a into b into b square is equals to 6 a square. This you can add power because base same, here also a, here also a, here also b, here b. So into dot you can write, or multiplication symbol you can write 1 plus 2. You will get 6 a 3 b 3, that is 6 a cube b cube. This is the answer. Is that clear? Multiply 2a square b by 3ab square, you will get the solution 6a cube b cube. Understood this? How to multiply this? Understood? Okay. Now question number 1. Multiply number a 4x square into 3x square, number b 8x cube into 8x cube into 4 x4 or x square you can write. Number c 7a square b into 2ab square, number d 4p square q square r square. Okay, I am leaving these 4 questions for you as home assignment. Is that clear? Simply you have to add the power of base same. 4 3 is 12, then x square x 2 plus 2. Is that clear? In the similar manner you can do other question also. Understood? Is that clear? Okay. Suppose if there are 3 or more than 3 terms, then how to do? Please here multiply. If there are more than 2 terms, then this also exactly same process. Please here first write the coefficient solution. Please here 2 into 3 into 5 into 5, then write a square into a into a. Now you can multiply, say 2 3 is 6 into 5 30, then base same a, then its power it will be 1. So 2 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, now 30 a to the power 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. This is the answer. In this way you can do multiply. If there are more than 2 terms, more than 3 terms also you can do multiply. Are you getting me? Now I am writing another question. Suppose question of B, 3xyz into 4x y square x square y square z square into 5 x square y z. Suppose if you are multiplying this here, suppose if you are multiplying this question, just check here. First let's write coefficient. Let's multiply. Now 3 into 4 into 5. Now in the let's write like term together. X into x square into it's y into y square into z x square, again another there also x square another x square, x term we are writing first, and again we will write y term, y into y square into y, and let's write z term, z into z square into z. Now this z is z square z. Now let's multiply these. 3 4 the 12 into 5 60. 60, then base same, please check here. If base same, then you can add power. 1 plus 2 plus 2, then y 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2 plus 1 into z 1 plus 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 60 x 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, then y 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, then z 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4. This is the answer. If there are more than 2 or 3 terms, you can do in this way, you can multiply in this way. Is that clear? This understood? Okay. Now let me write another question. Now simplify question. Simplify question number A. 2a into 3a, 2a into 3a, 2a into 3a plus 2a into 5. And another question also, let's write B. 4x into 2x, 4x into 2x square minus 4x into 3. Solution of A, please here. Solution of A. Here this our question. 2 3s are 6. Solution, that is 2a into 3a plus 2a into 5. Sure, already we discussed about this type of question. 2 3s are 6. Otherwise, you can write in this way: 2 into 3 into a plus 2 into 5 into a is equals to, you can write 2 3s are 6, 6 a square plus 2 5s are 10 a. This is the answer. Is that clear? 6a square plus 10a, it is the answer. We are writing this in simplified way. Now check here another question. Solution: 4x 4 into 2 into x square minus 4 into 3 into x is equals to, follow same process. 4 to the 8, x 1 plus 2 you can write minus 4 3 the 12 x is equals to 8 x 3 minus 12 x. Is that clear? Can you do this type of question? Can you do? Okay, this is very simple. Now let me write some question. Okay, question 1. xy into 4x, xy into 4x minus xy into 3y. Now number 2, 3p square q square, 3p square q square into 2p plus 3p square q square into 4q. I am leaving these two questions as home assignment. Please do this question. Is that clear? Both questions are similar. Similarly, you can do like previous question. Is that clear? Okay. Now let me write another question. Now we are in question number 3. Please here. Number 3a. Multiply. Multiply. Question number 3. A. 3x 2x plus 4. Now here, this is monomial, this is binomial. Now how to multiply? Please here 3x, this is our question. 3x 2x plus 4, 2x plus 4 is equals to, first you have to multiply 2x by 3x. So one time you have to do in this way, and again you have to multiply 4 by 3x because there is multiplication symbol. There is multiplication symbol. So first you have to multiply 2x by 3x and again 4 by 3x. Clear? 3x into 2x plus 3x dot 4. That dot means multiplication. Is that clear? Now 3 into 2 into let's write dot, it will be easy also. 3 dot 2 dot x plus 1 directly you can write, plus otherwise directly 3 to the 6 x into x square. In that way also you can do. Understood? Now 3 into 4 12x, then 2 to the 6 x square plus 12x. This is the answer. Is that clear? You have to multiply both term by 3x. Clear? Okay. Now let me write another question. Now number B, multiply 5a 3a minus 5, C 4p 5p square minus 1, then D xy x minus y. Number E 4xy 2x plus 3y. Let's check your question again. 5a into 3a minus 5. Again same process, like first you have to multiply 3a by 5a, then minus 5 by again 5a. Clear? So here also first you have to multiply 5p square by 4p, and again you have to multiply 1 by 4p. In this case also first you have to multiply this and again you have to multiply this. Again you have to multiply this. Here also same. Understood? Can you do this question? Can you solve this question? Okay. Now multiplication of polynomial. Multiplication of polynomials. Here in algebraic expression, binomial is also a polynomial. Trinomial is also a polynomial. Is that clear? So number A, multiply x plus 3 by x plus 3. How to multiply this question? So question number 1, solution please check here. X plus 3 into x plus 3. X plus 3 into x plus 3. Please check question first. Now first you have to multiply this x plus 3 by x. Is that clear? And next time again you have to multiply x plus 3 by 3. So you can write is equals to x. You have to multiply x plus 3 by x first, x plus 3. Now there is plus symbol, so you have to write plus x plus 3. Is that clear? First you have to multiply x plus 3 by x, and again you have to multiply x plus 3 by 3. So directly you can write, so many times we have you have done multiplication, like x into x, it will be x square, x square, plus into plus, here it will be plus 3x, again plus into plus, 3 into x, it will be 3x, plus 3 3s are 9. Is that clear? So again there is like term, there is like term, 3x plus 3x you can write over here. So x square plus 3 plus 3, 6, 6x plus 9. This is the answer. If you multiply x plus 3 by x plus 3, you will get x square plus 6x plus 9. Is that clear? In this way we can multiply algebraic expression. Are you getting me? Okay, good. Now let me write another question. Now another question, question number 2. Question number 2, 2p plus 3q, 3p minus 2q by, you have to multiply 2p plus 3q by 3p minus 2q. So solution, 2p, so multiply 2p plus 3q by 3p minus 2q. Okay, both are same thing, but let's write in this way, 3p minus 2q, 3p minus 2q into 2p plus 3q plus 3q. Now first you have to multiply this by 3p, again second time you have to multiply all these by minus 2q. Is that clear? 3p, let's write first 3p, 2p plus 3q minus 2q, 2p plus 3q. Is that clear? First you have to multiply 2p plus 3q by 3p, and next time you have to multiply 2p plus 3q by minus 2q. Now you can multiply here 3 to the 6, p into p, p square. Is that clear? Plus into plus, plus 3 3 the 9, p into q, pq, minus into plus, minus 2 to the 4, 4 pq, minus into plus, minus 2 3 the 6, 6 q square. Now pq again there are like term, so you can write here 6p square plus 9 minus 4, 5 pq minus 6 square. This is the answer. If you multiply 2p plus 3q by 3p minus 2q. So you will get 6p square plus 5pq minus 6q square. Is that clear? Now thank you very much. Similar type of question we will do again in next class. Okay, thank you.